Apologies in advance, I've lost the audio on these tracks, but as you can see, never rains but it pours. The test welds that I ran down in the back corner weren't successful, so I had to cut out and replace some of the metal down there which was weak, including the flange which is behind there, which connects that seam up. We'll be replacing that in our bit of the wheel tub when we do those back repairs. The repairs have been done on the box section. While we had it off, it was just easy to do. I won't be dressing up much of that, we don't see it. The rest of it seems okay. Now, unfortunately, some more rot, so we'll need to get in here, we need to get that cut out, get it replaced. Not sure how bad it is, but won't be long in finding out. Now, this is where the middle sill attaches to, so it is structural, so we'll get that solid. The metal is a heavier gauge than the rest of the material, including the middle sill. We just need to cut in and see how much of it's actually rotten. It's quite weak there, but it looks as though it's just pitted from the inside out, so hopefully it'll be okay. Well, luckily it was actually pretty solid. The rest of the middle sill came off, and again apologies for the lossy audio and the voiceover. A bit of an afterthought, so that's a bit heavier gauge metal in there, welded in. We'll tidy that up once we get the outer sill off, which is what you see to the bottom. The middle sill will then come along here and get attached, so I have to keep that pretty solid. So time to get the floor on.